Hey everybody, welcome back into Universal Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you a little glimpse of the new Too Faced Extra Spicy Gingerbread palette and the difference maybe between this and last year's regular gingerbread palette. So I was going to forego this one at first because I bought this one last year and it was completely satisfying. But then when I saw the colors on this one, they are different. There's no repeat colors. It's still really good. So I decided to pull the trigger on it. And today you might notice our angle is a little bit different. Trying some new lighting because I know I always suffer with bad lighting and it goes in and out, and I'm really trying to correct it and learn. And so I have a new apparatus that I'm trying out here. Also still kind of suffering a little bit from this cold that keeps coming in and out. I've been working several days straight. I still have 6 more to go before I get a day off. And so, you know, my throat, I know it's a little croaky. I'm going to try to get through this and get to it. So anyway, hopefully this lighting is better. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm a little too close. We're going to find out when we see playback and see how that goes. Anyway, let's get to it. This is the new Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. It comes in this box like this, and then it opens out to be like the other one in this tin, which is so cute. And they also do give you, in all of the Too Faced palettes, they give you like a little guide that, whoops, there. They give you a little guide and they show you some looks that you can follow along with if you need the inspo. I don't typically do these because I don't know, I always open the palette and I feel like, oh, you know, I save those. I just put them in the drawer here in case ever a time comes up where I feel like I need a guide of some kind. But anyway, there it is. Isn't that cute? And it's like raised, it's embossed. And you open it up and look at how pretty these colors are. Aren't those gorgeous? To compare them to last year's, let me see if I can do that one-handed. Okay, these are the colors from last year, and these are the colors from this year. So you see there are some that they're a little similar, but I have swatched them and they are actually very different. So lining them up side by side, they are different. Okay, so let's close down the last year's guy and talk about this one. Okay, so there's a nice close color. You can see I've been getting into this one a lot. That one is called Candy Queen. Anyway, what I have done for you today is I started out with this one that is called Vanilla Wafers and kind of just did a sweep to even out color and get everything evened down. Next, I went in with this one that is called Gingerbread Glam and just did that in the crease and slightly above the crease. Over the top of that, I went in with Extra Spicy, okay? And then this one that's called Cookie Call, just to deepen the outer V and under and over. And also before that, I did go under my lower lash line with the Gingerbread Glam, and then over the top of that with the Extra Spicy. So okay, then the Cookie Call in the outer V to deepen the color, and then this one, this Candy Queen. See, it's a shimmer, and it's like a little bit of a, I don't know, kind of a coppery color, but I didn't wet my brush because I am on my way to work and I don't want to go party style, you know, so I just hit the brush with a dry brush with that and just went over the orbital part of the lid. Then I came back in with Vanilla Wafers and just did under the brows just to kind of highlight that up a bit. So there's so many different ways you can go. I'm really dying to get into this one that's called Hot Tamale. Isn't that pretty? And gosh, this one's Cinnamon. God, beautiful, you know. Oh, and butterscotch. Yeah, this is really nice. You know, some of these colors are actually reminding me of the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, just a little bit. But anyway, this retails for $49. Natasha Denona for like, I think that one is one of her least expensive palettes, and it's like 65 or something like that. But anyway, this is great. It's got so many different looks for you to choose from. And like I said, you can use the guide and follow along. and they'll show you how to do it. Or, you know, I think again, it's so beautiful. You just can go ahead and make up your own. Now, if you see anything in here, if you're going to go ahead with this and you see any colors that you're afraid of, I'm thinking this one a lot of people might be shy about. That's called Midnight Snack, and it's a beautiful kind of a twilight blue, deep, deep blue color. And I can see how some people would think, I don't know. But if you want, we can do a look with that. We can show you how to do it. I'm telling you, this palette is so good for if you are somebody with dark eyes and a dark eye color, I mean, and maybe even deeper skin tones, because you can go ahead and use these colors to such an advantage. Wow, this will work on everybody's skin tone. Don't be afraid of it. And even if it's like over 40 beauty, don't be afraid of this stuff. I think that's what people shy away from a lot of times. They think, oh, those colors are not going to be for me. I can't wear something like this or this, or even, like I said, that twilight blue. Can you get a better look at that? It's very peacocky. Yes, you can. There are ways to do this. You don't have to look like a club kid. You're going to be fine. And if you want us to go ahead and go through a look using that, just let me know in the comments down below, and we'll go ahead and do that. So look at this thing. The smell, it's similar to last year. It smells kind of like vanilla, but a little bit maybe with cinnamon. I think that online I read some comments that some people were a little disappointed in the scent on this one because they were expecting gingerbread. The same thing with last year's. It smells more like vanilla, really, but not a problem. It's you know, it's still fine. I don't know. I got better things to get upset about than smells. But anyway, I find it kind of pleasant when you're putting makeup on. Like I've said to you guys before, whoever's in charge of the smells over at Too Faced, big thumbs up, because I find it really nice when I'm applying stuff to smell either the cocoa or the tutti frutti ones smell kind of like berries or lemon, or, you know, they just do a great job. Anyway, here it is one more time for you to look at. I'm holding it upside down so the mirror doesn't reflect off of everything, but look at those beautiful, beautiful colors. There is so many ways to go with this. This cookie call here has kind of a deep undertone of purple in the brown, and it's gorgeous. But anyway, so that is the final look that I did with it. We can do a lot more, but anyway, I do want to take a second and give a special shout out again to our winners, beautiful Melinda and beautiful Jennifer, that won the Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I hope you guys are really enjoying those, and yeah, have a good time. We're going to do some more giveaways as we head into the holiday season, and so if you haven't subscribed already, please do. You can hit that notification bell. I think it's down here actually, and that will notify you via email when I do a new upload. Also, if you hit a thumbs up, that helps because then it tends to get into somebody's sidebar that may not have seen it, and they can join our little community here, which would be so nice. So thank you all for watching, and again, let me know if there's another look you'd like to try with this or something else, and hope you're having a great weekend. I will see you next time. Sparkle hard, everybody. Bye-bye.